So now we're on board a 46 Cantius for the Dockmate Vector. We're going to demonstrate how to activate DPS in the high mode, high engine RPM mode.
So DPS mode first, simple one push button, puts you right into a DPS activation.
Okay, and you got a blue light there letting you know that you are in DPS mode.
Now with a single push one more time, takes you off of DPS mode and right back into docking mode. Then for the high mode is the same thing. We're going to hit the button for high mode. You get a white flashing light for high mode.
Oh, I missed it. Go ahead, do it again. Turn it on.
So I'll take the high mode off. And now I'm going to hit the high mode right back on again. So there's your high mode working. It also indicates it here. If I were to take it off, it takes you off of high mode, puts you back on high mode, all through the Dockmate remote control.